Yo guys, what's up? My name is Ron and this is Ron's Product Reviews YouTube channel. And before I get started, I'd like to please say if you can like this video and hit the subscribe button and continue to receive content, click the notifications bell so I can continue to send you content on future product review videos, and it would greatly help me out and I would really appreciate it. And I'd like to continue to provide you guys with quality product reviews for internet marketing products that make you money online. So we are getting started here, and this is my product review for Nexus Profits. Now, this is a program by Bill Hugel, Simple Spencer, and their student Ryan Mack. And all three of these guys are great guys. Ryan's an up-and-comer, and he came out with this Nexus Profits program, and I think it's something you'll really like. It's easy to do and very simple to get started. You don't have to dedicate too much time or effort or even put in a lot of money to begin with, right? So I wanted to start off, this is the members area here when you purchase the product and you get it. The screen is nice and white. This is making my face look great. I got the snazzy t-shirt with all the colors on, like the logo. So I want to start off here to show you this, and we'll get back to this in just a minute, but I want to take you first to my product review page, my bonus review page, and it's all fancy. So Nexus Profits review and my mega bonus bundle. So as if you've seen my previous videos, if you haven't, click below on the descriptions box to check out how I go through these review videos. This is a placeholder screen. This is also my YouTube thumb, so this is what you're going to see when you click on this video, but the video I'm filming right now will go in this spot. Now, when the product launches live, it'll launch for, I believe, $12.95. It might start off on a dime sale for $8.95 and work its way up to $12.95. I'm not too sure, but right now I'm just going to go with $12.95. If it's lower, I'll update the descriptions box below when you click that link below and you get started through me getting Nexus Profits. So what you get inside the Nexus Profits sales funnel, you get the front end product, also known as the FE in abbreviations, and Ryan breaks everything down step by step, and he shows you how he's banking $100 to $200 paydays with this Nexus Profit method. You don't need no tech skills, no previous experience or list building, product creation, traffic, website building, SEO, writing skills, and video skills. You don't need any of that. And what basically the product is, I'll actually take you through it. So this is a PDF file, quick, simple read. It's only, as you could see, 25 pages long or 25 parts long, however you want to describe how a PDF is. 25 pages, let's just go with that. So this is going to be a smart way on how to do domain flipping. Now, basically, you're looking to buy domains on the cheap, and you're looking to flip it and sell it for more, and you make profit instantly. Your profit margins are going to be big depending on what you buy and how you sell it. Ryan goes into detail with how he does this. I'm not going to go too much into this. Obviously, I do want you guys to get the program and then get it. It's not fair to the product creators or the vendor promoters if I'm essentially giving something away for free, but I'll give you a little screenshot right here on some of the earnings he's made here, right? So these are realistic profits they're gaining, and they all add up day by day, day by day. And when the month ends, it's just this big, big earnings report that you earn, earnings, profits. They all add up. Those $30, $100, $200 days will add up to something very big at the end. So back to my review page. Upsell number one, also known as an OTO, also known as a one-time offer, is additional products in the sales funnel. So OTO number one, or upsell number one, is a super simple $300 a day method for $17. So this goes hand in hand or side by side with Nexus Profits. It's a front end product that makes sure you're hitting 3 figures a day. Bill and Spencer sold this product. I actually bought this for $47. So getting it for $17 is very cheap. It's a very nice deal. And upsell number two is how to bank insane 5-figure days. This is $27. This is a very powerful 5-figure a day system, and they only reveal this to their top level clients at like $300 to $400. So getting it for $27 is pretty cheap. Upsell number three is a simple buyer's list for $12. So this is an upsell where Bill and Spencer show you how to build a responsive buyer's list without ever creating or launching a product, which is really good when you're first getting started out. You don't want to know the technical mumbo jumbo. Your buying gets overwhelmed. We also call it analysis paralysis, right? You analyze things so much, you just get paralyzed by all this information. You get overwhelmed. Hey, I get it. I've been there. Let's strip the process down. Let's do something super simple, like they say. And I would also like to mention that the money is in the list. It's never more true when you get this upsell, right? So highly valuable information. When you learn it, it'll pay off for years to come. I'll highlight that word right there. And then upsell number 4, I'm a huge advocate for reseller rights. Basically, when you purchase reseller rights, if you haven't seen any of my videos, do click below and watch them. When you buy something called reseller rights, or 100% across the whole funnel for $37, that's what you get. You get 100% across this whole funnel. So, $13 plus 17, what is that? My math is not good. 30, 27, so 57, 69, and then what is that? That's like 100, almost $110. So if you were to buy the reseller rights for Nexus Profits and you were to promote this product, this being Nexus Profits, as your own, you would get 100% across everything minus the Warrior Plus fee. I'd like to point that out. I mean, they're going to take their little cut. That's the vendor affiliate marketplace. And then you'll get 100% after the 4 days launch period. So when the 4-day launch is up, you'll get the 100%, and you'll even get all the sales and promotional material. That's really good if you're looking to promote this right off the bat when the soft launch ends. And then, you want to know how to do it. You want to know what you have for promoting wise, marketing wise, advertising wise. You'll get it all in here. And then that comes to my mega bonus bundle. So when you decide to buy Nexus Profits through me, guys, you will get 5 additional bonuses I provided, right? So we'll start off with bonus number 1. I actually promoted this product a few months ago, Explosivo. And this program is fast, scalable, and very explosive system. Brings in thousands of niche targeted visitors for less than $10 in less than 2 days, 48 hours. And my friend William Weatherly, I just call him Will here, shows you how to create a massive follower base and continue engagement, followers and opt-ins, which lead to sales. So Will's banking between $50 to $100 using this method alone. So you'll get that course for free through me when you click the link below and get started. Bonus number 2 is Profit Vortex, another program I promoted in the past, last year, around November, I believe. To this day, this is very successful. It's a highly successful PDF book where Wayne Crow, my friend Wayne, shows you how he does solo ads and click banking, and he has other methods of list building. When you join Profit Vortex, you go through the program. It's another simple PDF read. That's why I provided this as a bonus. You're not going to get this whole crazy video by video memorization thing that you got to do, overwhelm you with thousands of videos, takes up your precious time and effort. It's a simple read. Apply the methods. Get on it. Join his Facebook group. He's highly engaged in that group. It's a very big group. It's growing by the day. Guys are getting results with this, right? So bonus number 2, Profit Vortex for you. Bonus number 3 is Unbreakable. This, I believe, launched right around this time last year, maybe, a little less than a year ago. I think 3rd week of August. Some days I memorize this stuff. What can I say? I'm good with some things. Some days I forget what happened 15 minutes ago, right? So this is a product by Kaz and Lee teamed up with Bill and Spencer. This is another PDF read. Notice how I'm giving you things with bonuses that are quick, easy to digest and implement, and you guys take action with this. This uses Quora and Conquer to promote affiliate offers. It's an underground method that most people overlook, and is really good when you get to know it, right? So that's bonus number 3. Bonus number 4 is Urgency Suites Pro. So this software is a program software that uses the scarcity bar and countdown timer to run email campaigns. So scarcity is super powerful. When you have something in limited quantities that you give away, it is very powerful indeed. Once again, I'll always say this when I add this as a bonus, don't abuse this. you know, treat this very ethically and be honest with what you're doing, right? So it really converts well when you do use it properly. And an example of that would be right on, even on my own page, I'm using this. So this is how I have this set up. You can put whatever words you want with how many you have and how many are gone. So bonus spots 20. In this case, I have only 20 bonuses for Nexus Profits. For the most part with my product reviews, I only give away 20 bonuses. Anything after that's too much, too congested. And then you could also put how many are gone, and then the bar will add up with, you know, that you adjust physically really quick. Super simple to do. And then you could add up how many are available and how many are gone, right? Really, really good. Highly effective. Once again, I do caution that, you know, if you use it properly and apply it properly. And then bonus number 5, I've never actually given this away. This is the lost code. So this is the program that started it all in terms of me doing these product reviews. Everything that you see here is based off what I learned in the lost code, but the main bulk of the lost code is how to promote or apply high ticket sales to your back end offers and how to do launch jacking. We all know, guys, when you promote high ticket, your commissions will be bigger. They'll be $500 to $1,000 to almost $2,000 USD. I'm from Canada, so USD is even more. And when you guys begin to see those high ticket sales come in, you'll notice that you can make money online, because these are huge, huge, huge commissions, right? It's good when you're getting, you know, the 12, 37, 57, even $100 commissions. Those are great. I love them. But when you start to get 500 to 1,000 to 15 to 2,000 and higher, that's when you begin to scale up huge, huge, and you go to the moon with this, right? So the lost code is bonus number 5. It shows you how to do that. And this is how I did get started, and doing what you see here is through the lost code. And if you're to buy any of these bonuses, guys, you'd be paying $200 separately in itself for these courses, but you get them all free today when you grab Nexus Profits through me, and through me only on this page right now, this bonus review page you are watching. And all the bonuses will be ready for you guys right after you purchase and you download it. So you'll go to Warrior Plus, and then when you click on the product that you bought, you'll see this thing that says buyer bonus URL, and I have a link I have provided for you, and which will lead you to this. This is my Nexus Profits bonus bundle. So you'll have all the bonuses I just went over: Explosivo, Profit Vortex, Unbreakable, Urgency Suites Pro, and the Lost Code for 100% free. Just click on any of these links. You'll go to the membership area, and you could sign up for it and get your login details. So it's all going to be good. This is what you will see when you purchase it. Purchase Nexus Profits through me on this link. When you click below, buyer bonus in the Warrior Plus, it'll lead you to this, and you'll be good to go, right? So this does have my stamp of approval. I do approve it. I've tried this method. I know it works. The way they've done it is very interesting. I go over tons of products, so it's very hard to really focus on something for a long duration of time, because I'm always constantly reviewing new products for you guys to see, test out, and implement and learn to make money with online, right? So it has my stamp of approval. It does work. And then with the bonuses I've provided, it'll obviously, you know, get you making profits even faster. So I do hope to see you on the inside there. So once again, 20 bonuses. I only have this for limited time. So when they're gone, guys. So get in on this right now. Click the link below to get started. And thank you once again for checking out my bonus review page for Nexus Profits. If you have any questions, reach out to me at ron@ronneilmedallier.com. And I got a little image of myself there. Again, affiliate disclaimer on the bottom. I do get affiliate commissions for these review videos, and when you click on my link to buy the product. So we did that. We went into the members area, showed you the PDF, and this is what the sales page looks like. So discover how I bank $193 per day without website, without a list, without product, and without any tech skills, right? So they'll have their sales page video ready in the next day or so. And some of the copy right there. If you guys do need, just slowly go through the video or pause it if I'm going too fast. So this is some of the income proofs from Ryan's account. $100, 95, 293 minus the PayPal fee. Once again, some of the stuff you don't need any of these skills: SEO, tech, website creation, any of those things at all. So you'll see this product go live, I believe it's August 13th at 7 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. So mark your calendars, get set, and click that link below and buy through me, guys. Some of the copy right there, right? We're going through right there. You get 100% money back guarantee. You'll get 2 fast action bonuses. Bonus number 1 will be the 10x Nexus Profit Advantage, and then bonus number 2 will be the Nexus Profit 71K case study revealed. Very good stuff, all completely for free. So 5 bonuses from me, 2 from them. You get 7 bonuses total, and the course itself. Some more screens again, as you could see, and then there's a picture of Bill, Simple Spencer, and Ryan Mack, and you're good to go. So I'll leave it at that, and I'd like to thank you guys very much for checking out my video once again. And I'd like to remind you, please, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for Ron's product reviews, and click the notifications bell to continue to receive future content from me. I'd love to provide more content for you guys. So on that note, guys, you guys have a good morning, have a good afternoon, or have a good evening wherever you are in the world. My name is Ronil Raymond Medallier, but please call me Ron, and this is my review for Nexus Profits. So I want you guys to take it easy and take care. Goodbye, guys.